Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to show whether Widget on the GX start page. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is right click from the start page, click on settings, press left click on settings, then on the left hand side here, you'll see some options. So what you do is click on privacy and security. On the right here, scroll all the way down until you see advanced. Click on advanced and scroll all the way down until you see start page. Now once you see the start page, you look for the option for show weather widget and turn it on. It's as simple as that. Next you choose the temperature. Is it Celsius or Fahrenheit? So once you've done this, that's it. So from the start page, if you go back to the start page, it should be able to show you weather widget. You can see it over here. So you can now decide to set up your city and check forecast. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.